Today, let's understand this card through a simple image. Imagine a calm woman sitting quietly between two pillars. One pillar is black, and on it is written B. The other is white, and on it is written J. These pillars represent two opposites, dark and light, subconscious and conscious, things we know and things we don't know. She is sitting exactly in the middle, balanced between both worlds. She is holding a scroll in her hand, but it is partially hidden, as if not everything is meant to be revealed. Behind her, there is a curtain decorated with pomegranates, and behind that curtain, water flows, showing deep emotions and hidden knowledge. On her head, there is a moon crown, and at her feet, there is a crescent moon, both showing strong connection to intuition and the subconscious mind. She is not speaking, but she knows everything. She listens not to the outside world, but to her inner voice. This is the High Priestess. Now, let's understand the meanings clearly. If this card comes upright, it indicates intuition and inner wisdom. It shows silence, patience, and deep understanding. It says that answers are already within you. It asks you to trust your inner voice. At the same time, it reminds you not to rush and to observe quietly. If this card comes reversed, it shows confusion and lack of clarity. It indicates that you may be ignoring your intuition. It also shows emotional imbalance or hidden truths. This card asks you to reconnect with yourself and listen within. Yes or no. If this card comes upright, it is a maybe. If this card comes reversed, it is a no. Planet, energy, and chakra. The planet associated with this card is Moon. It represents intuition, emotions, and the subconscious mind. The element is water, which relates to feelings and depth. The chakra associated is the third eye chakra, which represents intuition and inner vision. Now, let's understand the life areas. Career studies. If this card comes upright, it shows that you should trust your instincts in decisions. Observe more and speak less. If this card comes reversed, it shows confusion or lack of clarity in your path. You may need guidance or better focus. Love emotions. If this card comes upright, it shows deep emotional connection and understanding. There may be unspoken feelings. If this card comes reversed, it shows secrets, confusion, or emotional distance. Something may not be fully clear. Health. If this card comes upright, it shows inner healing and emotional balance. Meditation and rest will help you. If this card comes reversed, it shows emotional stress or imbalance. You may need mental peace and grounding. General guidance. If this card comes upright, it asks you to stay calm and listen to your inner voice. Trust your intuition before taking action. If this card comes reversed, it asks you to avoid confusion and reconnect with yourself. Take time to understand your feelings. So, this card teaches us one simple thing. The answers you are searching for are already within you.